Hi, I'm Chad. In this video, I will show you how to create and send an email campaign using an article from Boma's content library. First, navigate to the content library. You can do so by clicking the menu button here. This is where you will find hundreds of articles that you can share with your leads and clients. You can filter through the content using the library filter or the category filter. For example, compliance. Once you have found the article you want to share, click on it. You will then be taken to the preview page of the article. Here, you will see the title of the article, the intro post content that will be used for your social platforms if you were to create a social media campaign, and the wider content for your email. In the right panel, you will see a button labeled Delivery and Campaign, which is for your email and social media campaigns, and then another button labeled Deliver to Zapier, which is for your website. When you click on Deliver and Campaign, a pop-up will appear prompting you to select the type of campaign that you want to share this content in. For this example, select Email Campaign. As we are sharing content from the content library, Boma uses the title of the content as the campaign name. The campaign name is not seen by the recipients of the email, and you can edit it if you wish. Once you are happy with the name, click on Start. You will now need to edit the audience for this email campaign. Click on Edit. If you click on Show, you will be able to see all of the recipients that have been selected for this email. You can select a particular audience by clicking on Filter using Tags. This is where you can start to select a particular segment of audience. Add a tag that you have created for a particular group of people. For example, tax and compliance. In other cases, you may want to select specific contacts for this campaign, and so if you click on Select Contacts manually, you will be able to select each contact by clicking the checkbox on the left of that contact. Once you are happy with the selection, click on Save and Close. Now let's look at the template. We are going to select branded templates and use the format Full Article. Once you have clicked on the format, you will then be directed to the email editor. You could then choose to edit the email text by clicking into the email text area and make any changes you wish. You will be able to add your own personal greeting by clicking in the email text and typing your greetings such as Dear, and then you can leave a space and click on Merge Tags from the text editor tool. You can then select First Name, which will pull the first name of the contacts that have been selected for this email. When you are ready to view what this email would look like for your readers, click on Preview in the top panel. You can then view what this email will look like on a desktop or laptop computer, or a mobile, tablet, or smaller device. Ultimately, once you are happy, you can click on Save and Close. Once you are taken back to the review and edit step, you will need to look at the subject line and preview description. As you are sharing content from the content library, Boma pre-fills the subject line with the title of the content and the description of the email with the social media caption. You can change this if you would like to. You may want to change who this email is being sent from. To change the sender, click on the email address text box here, and then make the changes to the new email address and also the name of the person sending the email. Lastly, you may want to send this email to management for approval, or would like to see what this campaign would look like in an email. To do so, click on Send Test Email. You will then be able to enter the email address you would like to send this campaign to as a test. Once you click on Send, the email will be sent to that email address alone. Ultimately, once you are happy with the content setup, you can scroll down and click on Schedule Delivery. If you would like to learn more about sharing content for email campaigns using the content library, feel free to reach out to our support team on support@bomamarketing.com or chat to us using the chat bubble in your Boma account. Thank you so much, and bye for now.